We are into the field today to test this drone in autonomous flying mode. We have planned the waypoints, and now we will wait for the satellite to lock. So minimum 16 to 20 satellites needed for this aircraft to fly in auto mode. So this is our complete setup, and here we have a mission planning software, and we have used 433 megahertz telemetry module. So we will test this now for up to 1 kilometers, and after that we can extend its range to up to 15 to 20 kilometers further on. So let's fly this aircraft. So our drone is now ready to take off. For that, currently it is in manual mode and disarmed. So first we have to arm the aircraft. So for this we have to flick the switch, and now you can see it is in armed mode. And now we have to take the manual mode to auto mode to fly this aircraft in this route. So let's do this in auto mode. So for this we have to flick this switch. Now you can see it is in auto mode, and we have set up this aircraft to shake to wake mode. So once we shake the aircraft, it is automatically, its throttle is armed, and it started rotating. So now shake the aircraft. So it's now ready for takeoff. So now the motor is started and it is auto launched. The drone is climbing. Here you can see its altitude is increasing. It's in 40 meters right now, and now the drone is turning to the waypoints, the first waypoint. And it is heading towards the second waypoint, and you can see its altitude is now 73 meters, and distance is now 380 meters. Now our drone is in heading towards the next waypoint, and here you can see the distance and altitude, and it is following its path. And as you can see, the drone is coming towards us. Here you can see the drone flying behind the trees. Here our drone is flying, very stable, nice flying, and it's coming towards us. After the waypoint is completed, it's launch its RTL mode. You can see it is in RTL and starts loitering in the home position, as you can see, and holding its altitude to 101 meters. So now it's time to landing. So let's land the aircraft. As you can see, the aircraft is hovering above our head, loitering. So we will land this aircraft manually.